Or not. I'm just bringing a little bit color back, baby. Whoa.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be creating this stunning, cute, makeup look for you guys. I'm going to use the Patricia Bright Palette and the Morphe 3503 palette to create it. So if you're interested, keep on watching, of course. And new people to my channel, welcome guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Let's get started. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, like I always do. Now I'm going to conceal my eyelids, and I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83, and I'm just applying it on the lids. In this video, I think that I want to do a cut crease, so I'm going to use some regular tape to make it a little bit easier for me. To start this eye look, I'm going to use the Morphe 3503 palette, Fierce by Nature. I'm going in with the color Domination, and it's this color right here. Because my eyes are still wet from the concealer, I'm dabbing it in before I blend it out. And I decided not to put a base on my concealer because I've noticed that when I do that, the colors won't stick as I would like. This palette is so pigmented. I really love it. The colors are beautiful. And it's working with me. I like that. And I'm gonna blend the harsh lines out, but not too much, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to use the Revolution Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette, and I will be using this color. Side note, do not, I repeat, do not pay attention to my nails, okay? Yeah, from this palette, I really love it because you can bend it like all over, and this palette is so pigmented. Like, I really love this palette, and I will do another video using only this palette just to show you guys the colors, the pigmentation, and everything else. But for now, I'm going to use the color All Spices, just like I said, and I'm using it to blend like the color that I used before, like even more. It's like a brown in combination with red. I love this color. It's beautiful. It reminds me of fall. And yeah. Now I will be using the color Mesmerize from the Morphe palette, and I'm using a tinier brush for this, and I'm adding a little bit just up there. Now from the Morphe palette, I will be using the color Smolder. And after you've done that, we will be going back in with the color All Spices from the Patricia palette, just to blend it a little bit in. Now I will be cutting my crease, and I'm using once again the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83, and I'm using a tiny brush to do this, and I'm using another mirror because I just need a close-up to do this. I want to use like a really light color. I think that I'm going in with the color Queen. It has like a little bit of the same color as the concealer. Oh, it's pretty. Normally, like, I would love to do like glitters and busy looks for you, but not today, okay, hunty? I want to do like something cool but warm as well, something that you can wear like on a date night or when you're going out with friends. I really love it. I think that I will be using this color Stonewell from the Morphe palette. Okay. Okay. I think that I will be using the color Hypnotic as well from the Morphe palette, and it's like a burgundy color but more towards brownish, and I'm just adding it to like blend it a little bit. Just applying it in my outer corners. And I'm going back in with the shimmer because that can disappear. Of course. Just again, look what's working for you to create the perfect ombre to your liking. Now, ring liner. Or not. No, I'm not gonna add eyeliner. I will be using the NYX Shine Killer primer. Okay, now I will be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Deep Sable, and it's full coverage. Applying the foundation on my face. I will be continuing using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, color 83, and I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes, on my nose, I'm going to use my PS Perfect color in the color Rich Espresso, I guess. Yes, and I'm using it to contour my face. I'm using just a little bit. You can see not much. And on my nose. Now I will be using a flat brush to blend everything out. And on my cheeks, I will make like small circles. Now I will be using my Banana Dreams loose powder, and I'm just going to use the blending brush that I used to get a little bit of the powder, and I'm applying it exactly on the places that I have concealed. That's too much. Now I will be blending that out as well with the same beauty blender. We're going to bring a little bit of color back into my face. I'm using this bronzer and highlight palette. I don't know where it's from, you guys. So sorry, because it's an old one. I have it for like decades. But I will be using the color Sandstone. And it's this color right here. Okay, I'm using the bronzer and I'm just bringing a little bit color back, baby. Even the forehead is participating, okay? We cannot leave you behind. You are big as hell, so we will remember you. Going to use the color All Spices. I'm applying it on my under eyes. Okay, now I will be using the color Hypnotic. It's this darker color from the Morphe palette, but I'm getting a little bit under the first color. I'm using a clean brush to blending a little bit out. Blending it out, just get rid of the harsh lines. Let me say it like that. Going to use the Wow color. This one once again from the Patricia palette. Just tapping it in my inner corners. Just like that. Now from the Bronze and Glow palette, I will be using my favorite highlighter of all times. It's this one, the color Radiance. Ooh. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Adding on the nose, of course, because my nose needs to be that shiny that it can talk to y'all. Like, makeup is here to use, okay? So use it. And of course, I'm using a glimp on my lips. Now let me see what color I should pick for my lips. I'm going in with these lipsticks. They're from Primark actually, but I really love those colors. Color Luster and Matte. These two. I'm using the color Luster first. And on top of that, I will be using the matte color because it's darker. And on top of that, I will be using my Kiko lip gloss. Lovely lip gloss, my go-to lip gloss. I think it's the color 19 or 20. I'm using both, so it really doesn't matter. Whoa, that was a hiccup. Just to get rid of the like crusty lips, to put a little bit of shine. And this is the final look, you guys.